There is a voice in your head that knows exactly where to hit you. It waits for silence. Right before you start, it says, "You're not ready. You always fail. Who do you think you are?" And the dangerous part? You don't hear it as a voice. You hear it as the truth. This inner critic has destroyed more discipline than laziness ever could. It fuels procrastination, that it creates anxiety. And slowly, it steals your peace. But here's the truth ancient philosophers understood. That voice is not you. It is resistance. It evolved to protect you from danger, from embarrassment, rejection, uncertainty. But today, it doesn't keep you safe, it keeps you small. Stoic philosophy teaches one brutal rule. If it is not under your control, it deserves none of your attention. Your inner critic lives in the past or the future, meaning it lives outside your control. So you don't fight it, you separate from it. When the voice appears, you don't argue. You label it. This is fear. This is resistance. Naming it removes its power. Now use the most important filter you'll ever learn. Ask, is this thought actionable, or is it just judgment? If it's judgment, discard it. No emotion. No debate. But if it's actionable, translate it. I'm terrible at this becomes, what is one thing I can improve right now? This is the shift from self-attack to self-command. To make this permanent, practice 3 simple habits. First, every morning, write only what already exists. What you've done, what's complete, what's real. This starves future anxiety. Second, set a 25-minute focus timer. Promise yourself you're allowed to doubt only after it ends. Action teaches the mind faster than motivation ever will. Third, end your day with gratitude for presence, not progress. Comparison feeds the critic. Presence destroys it. Here's the final truth. The inner critic never disappears, but it loses authority, it becomes background noise. And you become the one who acts anyway. The critic is loud, truth is silent. And the truth is, you showed up today. Start small. Stay consistent. Live to succeed.